it's not only community, it's an ecosystem. So it's ourselves, it's the developers who are using our APIs. We need to meet each other, and we need to talk to each other, we need to exchange ideas. It's for us to listen, really.
And Icon is evolving, and that's what we're here to talk about today, as well as our overall ability to provide content and easy access to content across the various different touch points that our customers demand.
One of the best takeaways I found was in the last session on the alternative data. I think it's quite an interesting concept. Thomson Reuters is all about providing data, but when everyone has the same data, where can you get the competitive advantage? If you are looking to try and get ahead of the curve like that, looking at alternative data sources is a really interesting concept.
A real mix of speakers covering all sort of subjects, so really useful so far. I'm hoping to investigate further.
Well, what I enjoyed most was really looking at the ease of use APIs that came out of today. Good to network, good to pick up those connections again. I really like the concept of the developers web portal now, where it's bringing a bigger community together.
We have plenty of events going on globally now, and you can find all of this information on the developer portal. Just hit the events tab and then you'll see it all there, and just sign up and register, and we hope to see you all there soon.